Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on other live broadcasts on your accounts on X Twitter on notification settings, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click notifications and click preferences. Now click push notifications and here you will find it other live broadcasts. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.